Alright, we couldn't find a quick and easy way to get this bit out of here, but then we found a way. Figured we would show everybody else so that they won't have to go through the frustration. Right? No frustration? Okay. So this was stuck, it wouldn't come out even when you pull the chuck up, it just was stuck and jammed in there. So, took some elastic bands and you get it, pull the chuck up and then you get the elastic bands in behind there. And you just like keep going until that those elastic bands are just jammed up in behind the chuck so that it stays open. Just keep wrapping it around. I did like 2 or 3 elastics. You can use a metal wire or something, somebody said. That's what they did, but I just used elastic bands because it was available. So then that just got stuck in behind there. So now this chuck is open. Pair of vice grips. Tighten it on as tight as you can go. And then I just took a hammer and I just tap until it falls out. That's it. Hope that helps.